Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this air duster for ring purposes, and I think it's nice because it has different attachments, so we can use it on different situations, which I think it's excellent. Okay, these are all the attachments. Let's take everything out and let's see everything in a bit. Okay, then we have the proper main jack. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. It comes really well protected with bubble wrap, which I think that it's great. You can just plug it into your electrical outlet and use it. It has two different modes, which I think that it's nice. Let's see what attachments comes. We get different nozzles to use, okay, in an adapter. You can use it like this, without the brush, to reach different areas, or with the brush. You can set it up at different heights, as you can see. You can leave it like this, just like this, or extend it fully, which I think it's nice. I'm gonna plug it in to test it out a bit. Okay, as you can see, it's quite powerful. It's really powerful. It feels when you turn it on, and let's test the higher mode, okay? Well, as you can see, it's really nice, powerful. We can use it to clean different areas, your desk, something like that. We can also use this little more focused air nozzle, like this. Or we can use it like this, even more concentrated and longer reach. Or something that I think that it's nice is that you can use this attachment to pump up different stuff, beach balls or anything like that, those kids pools, and I think that it's nice. Which I think that it's excellent. I'm gonna use it like this most of the time. And what I think that it's great is that you can get this cap off. As you can see, you have the motor here, and we have a little filter right here that we can clean or anything, and if for any case it's too damaged, we can just replace it, as it comes with two replacements for the filter. We just place it like this once again, and we can place it like this, and we can use it regularly. So let's go ahead and test it out in our cubicles. I think that it's gonna do a really nice work to clean up your desk, your dining area, or wherever you want to need it. If you are in your workbench and want to get some, I don't know, like sawdust, stuff like that out of the way, I think that it's a nice option. So let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see, it's really nice to clean off the dust. Really simple. As I've said, it has really powerful high efficiency motor, so you can clean really quick. And it's really comfortable because it has a really ergonomic design, which I think that is great for deep cleanings, okay? Okay guys, as you can see, it's really easy to use. As I've said, it's just one button and decide which mode you want, which I think that it's great. You could see it's really powerful and really versatile. You can use it wherever you need it. And overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.